Assalamu alaikum. What is the Sunni stance on celebrating Eid al-Ghadeer? Did any Sunni classical scholars permit this? Answer is, I've never heard any of classical Sunni ulama commemorating Eid al-Ghadeer. What is al-Ghadeer? Al-Ghadeer is when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was returning back from Makkah al-Mukarramah after al-Hajj al-Akbar, after the last Hajj, Hajjatul Wida, the farewell pilgrimage. He stopped at an area where there was a watering place known as Al-Ghadeer. And at that he announced, Man kuntu mawlahu fahada aliyun mawlahu. Whoever's mawla I am, then Ali is his mawla. And that was because of some of the munafiqeen, hypocrites, who were spreading false things regarding Sayyiduna Ali radiallahu an. This was the declaration at Al-Ghadeer. The Shia, they take this to mean a stipulation for Ali radiallahu an to be the successor of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We the Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah say this was not the stipulation of successorship. It was a stipulation to warn the hypocrites. If it was a statement for successorship, it would have been made in Arafat. Why would it be made in Ghadeer? And because Sayyiduna Ali radiallahu an gave bay'ah to Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu an. So we do not reject the statement, we accept the statement, but we do not have something known as Eid al-Ghadeer, as Ahl Sunnah do not do such a practice.